A few days ago, I reported that Tesla is planning to build the largest battery production plant at Giga Berlin in Germany. Now we're learning that Tesla's battery production plant in Germany will bring in another 10,000 jobs. Remember, Tesla Giga Berlin was supposed to start from 7,000 and then go to 12,000 and go maybe more, have jobs in there at Giga Berlin. But looks like now this battery production plant, the German media is reporting, is going to bring another 10,000 jobs. Simon Alvarez reports from Teslarati.com saying Tesla's upcoming battery cell production facility in Germany, which will be built within the Gigafactory Berlin complex in Giga Berlin, will likely result in 10,000 more jobs in the state, according to estimates. This should help make Tesla's presence in Germany even more attractive for those people who are seeking jobs, especially considering that the electric car maker Tesla has made it a point that it is willing to hire even those people without prior background in training. I'm sure Tesla is going to give them good training at Giga Berlin. Earlier this week, if you remember, I reported that Elon Musk announced at the European Battery Conference that Tesla would be building a battery cell production facility in Germany. The upcoming factory will have a total annual capacity of 100 gigawatt hours. Musk noted, though this figure could later grow into a much more impressive 250 gigawatt hour per year. Yet even in this initial iteration, Giga Berlin's battery plant would already be amongst the largest in the world, but once it becomes 250 gigawatt hour per year, it will be the largest in the world. Now, little is known about the project apart from the CEO's announcement. We don't know much. As noted by the Brandenburg Ministry of the Environment on Friday yesterday, Tesla has filed no building applications for Giga Berlin's battery facility. So nothing is filed yet. No preliminary discussions about Musk's new announcements have also taken place. Nevertheless, the updates from the electric car maker Tesla seem well within the company's character, which is known for its quick course corrections and optimizations, notes Teslarati article. I was not surprised when I learned that Tesla will build a battery factory there, and I was kind of surprised that it will be the largest in the world. But look, Europe is becoming a huge market for Tesla. Giga Berlin is building there. Tesla has said many times that it wants to localize its supply. So where is the battery going to come? It's not going to come from China or from Cattle or all the way from Southeast Asia. It's going to come from as close as possible. And now after Tesla unveiled its own battery cells, 4680 battery cells at the Battery Day, why not build your own at Giga Berlin, where you have a lot of land available there? While Tesla has provided no additional details on its plans for Gigafactory Berlin's battery factory, the Fraunhofer Institute for Systems and Innovative Research in Karlsruhe has analyzed the battery market to provide an estimate about the upcoming facility's workforce. According to the institute, about 40 workers are required for each gigawatt hour of battery power in battery cell production, as per a report from the Berliner Kurier. Considering that the Brandenburg battery plant would be producing 100 gigawatt hours to 250 gigawatt hour worth of battery per year, the facility may require 4,000 employees initially, then ramp to 10,000 workers when it reaches its optimum annual capacity. Interestingly enough, notes Simon Alvarez from Teslarati, the Federal Minister of Economics has also hinted at 10,000 jobs being generated by this initiative, by Tesla's battery factory at Giga Berlin. Tesla's German-based operations will start at a time when the region is seeing a number of job cuts due in no small part of the ongoing virus. Among skilled workers in the technical professions, the Chamber of Industry and Commerce in both Berlin and Brandenburg are forecasting a shortage of 31,000 workers next year. Thankfully for Tesla, the company does have the advantage of being an attractive employer. I have reported about that. That's thanks in part to its character and products, as well as brand, as well as the generous basic compensation package, tariff-based package, which pays about starting 2,700 euros per month to workers without education and who were unemployed at the time of their application. Now, that's good news for the workers and for the area in general. But Tesla has not applied for a permit to build Gigafactory Berlin's battery production facility yet, stated the Brandenburg Ministry of the Environment, writes Maria Morano in Teslarati.com, saying Elon Musk stated that the Giga Berlin would have the world's largest battery factory during the European Battery Conference live broadcast recently, but Tesla has not applied for a permit to build the battery gigafactory yet. So this is all still talks. I've always understood that a car factory and a battery factory are to be built here, said the mayor of Grünheide, Arne Christiani. It's about a new generation of battery cells that are more environmentally friendly. But first of all, Tesla has to prepare an application and then a new approval procedure is necessary, said Mayor Christiani. The Brandenburg Ministry of Environment has not received Tesla's application to manufacture batteries yet, as noted Der Tagesspiegel report, and that is also reported by our friend Jürgen, who tweets at GF for Tesla, saying exactly 6 months ago on May 27, 2020, the groundbreaking took place. It is unbelievable how much has happened during the past 6 months, and now we're getting ready for a possible battery factory at Giga Berlin. Giga Berlin will be making Tesla's 4680 cells in its German-based battery production factory. Even before Elon Musk attended the European Battery Conference online, Tesla executive Drew Baglino started actually promoting the company's efforts to recruit people to lead the battery production team in Berlin. Tesla seems to be maintaining its schedule for Gigafactory Berlin. As of this reporting, the construction of Giga Berlin's car manufacturing plant has not received full approval from Brandenburg State Environment Agency. However, the agency has approved several early permits since Tesla purchased the parcel of land in Grünheide. After Musk revealed that Giga Berlin would have the world's largest battery facility, the district administrator of the Oder-Spree district expressed the importance of expediting Tesla's application. Here's what that said. Tesla's announcement that it will also build a modern battery cell production facility here in Oder-Spree has additional potential for the development of our region, said District Administrator Rolf Lindermann. Lindermann has been repeatedly asking the state government to tackle the issues surrounding Gigafactory Berlin more consistently and swiftly for the past few months. Tesla's announcement that it will also build a modern battery cell production facility here, Oder-Spree, has additional potential for the development of our region, he said, revealing the reason Lindermann believes Giga Berlin's application should be approved quickly. But so far, things are going at their own pace. Tesla aims to start vehicle production at Gigafactory Berlin by July 2021, giving the European Environment Agency a little more than half year to finalize Tesla's application for its car production plant. Tesla seems to have a different target date for Gigafactory Berlin's battery facility. If Tesla wants to maintain its pace, it should probably submit its application for Giga Berlin's battery factory soon, considering the amount of time it takes to get full approval. But I think even here, Tesla will go the same route as it went with Giga Berlin's building, for example. Tesla will not apply for the entire application of the building, but maybe for felling one application for felling the trees and clearing the forest land that they have, and then second application for the ground, and then another application for compaction, another application for the pillars, and so on. And it will be like a pace, space by space, and little by little, until Tesla builds the entire battery factory. But if Tesla is going to have the first Model Y rolling off the assembly line at Giga Berlin sometimes in the end of the first quarter of 2021, Tesla we probably by the end of this year, because we still have 1 month, we will see more about the application. I will not be surprised if Tesla files for application or submits an application for battery factory sometimes even next week. So please subscribe to our channel, stay tuned, so you may know once Tesla sends this application and we know some more dates and details about battery facility. But right now the good news is that it may add another 10,000 jobs at Giga Berlin. Well friends, let me know what your thoughts are about this. Please like this video, it helps me, and subscribe to our channel if you are here for the first time for daily Tesla news, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. I have 2 interesting stories, one coming about Cybertruck and one coming from Herbert Diess of Volkswagen, telling how they're trying to transform Volkswagen. So have a wonderful day, God bless you everyone, and see you soon in our next report.